One of my clients is a 35-year-old Italian real estate agent who, after selling incredible properties throughout Rome, decided it was time for his home to be better than the one he sells. He recently bought this one-bedroom apartment in Rome, the city I'm really proud to call home, together with London, and he asked me to turn his vision into reality. His request was an ultra-sleek, high-end space that feels sophisticated and at the same time effortlessly stylish. As you can see, this apartment started as an outdated, cramped property, but today I'm showing you behind the scenes of how I transform it into a bold, modern home. Ready? Let's dive in. Hi everyone, I'm Lorenzo, an Italian architect from Rome based in London, and the founder of Centioni Architects. I specialize in creating elegant, functional spaces that are tailored to my specific clients' needs. Today, I want to show you a really exciting project. This one-bedroom flat had so much potential, but zero personality. The living room was dark, the kitchen was tiny, and the whole place felt cramped. Outdated furniture throughout, and not a clear color scheme. The client came to me with a clear vision. He wanted sharp, clean lines, high contrast, and statement finishes. Black and white was his thing, you know? But for the bedroom, he wanted a soft, calming retreat. A space to unwind after long days going around Rome and selling properties. Was this a challenge? Sure. Do I love design challenges? Yes. Let's take a closer look at what I'm working with. The living room, while fairly spacious at 16 square meters or 170 square feet, feels disconnected from the best feature of the home, the wraparound balcony. The only way to access it is by going through the main entrance, since the existing window doesn't allow direct access. Then there's the kitchen, a mere 3.5 square meters or 38 square feet. Tiny, impractical, and completely uninspiring. Far from the sleek, modern space my client envisioned. The bedroom, at 16 square meters or 172 square feet, could be a comfortable retreat, but its slanted walls make furnishing and storage awkward. The bathroom, just 4 square meters or 43 square feet, is barely functional and it's way too tight. This place desperately needs a transformation, something intentional that makes it truly unique. Alright, let's fix that. Good design starts with rethinking the space, and that's exactly what I did here. The biggest move was removing this partition wall on the north side of the kitchen, opening up the living area and creating a sleek, seamless connection between the kitchen and lounge area. Now, my client can enjoy a true open-plan space where the kitchen isn't hidden away but becomes part of the design. Next, I transformed the window leading to the balcony into a proper window door, allowing access without having to go through the main entrance. This completely changes how the space is used, finally making the wraparound balcony an extension of the living room. I shifted the southern wall of the bathroom further down, slightly reducing the size of the bedroom. But even with this adjustment, there's plenty of space for a king-size bed and custom-built joinery, perfectly designed to maximize every inch of the awkward slanted walls. Just the way I love to do. Now let's talk about furniture. A sleek modern sofa sits in the top left corner of the living room, complemented by an extendable dining table near the kitchen, ideal for entertaining. Opposite the sofa, a low-level built-in media unit houses a massive TV. Because trust me, this client is serious about his movies. Moving towards the bathroom, this one has been completely reimagined. Instead of a cramped shower, there's now a luxurious full-sized bathtub, a non-negotiable request from the client. Don't worry about the plumbing, it's all under control by the operatives on site, okay? Moving towards the bedroom, I accommodated enough space for a king-size bed and built-in joineries. So this is how I turned dated and dysfunctional into sleek and smart. Now let's see the apartment in 3D, shall we? Let's start with the heart of the home, the living room, a space that is now bold and sleek. The first thing you'll notice, the striking contrast. This black and white feature wall anchors the space, adding depth and architectural character. Below it is a custom media unit that keeps everything sharp and streamlined. On the opposite side, a custom-made dark blue sofa introduces a sense of softness and contrast. Above, bold yet refined ceiling lights make a statement. But of course, they're dimmable, allowing my client to set the perfect mood at any time of the day. And then the real showstopper, the kitchen. Now fully exposed, it features sleek black cabinetry, integrated appliances, and a crisp minimalist aesthetic with its stainless steel worktop and splashback. This is quite a small space, but designed down to the finest detail. My client is obsessed with marble, as you can see, so I've wrapped the entire bathroom in a stunning white marble, creating a seamless, elegant look. The hand wash basin is of a deep coffee color, chosen specifically at my client's request to enhance the earthy tones of the bathroom in contrast with the black and white living room. To keep the space uncluttered, I integrated a cabinet near the entrance. Finally, the full-size bathtub is a must-have for my client. In this bathroom, every element is intentional, balancing luxury with practicality. In contrast with the bold living area, the bedroom is designed for pure relaxation. The color palette shifts dramatically here, with warm neutrals, soft textures, and a light oak veneer used throughout the custom-built joinery. The goal is to create a space that feels calm, inviting, and elegant. Yes, there's another TV. My client loves for movies knows no bounds. So we incorporated a large screen into this wall, which also features a bespoke built-in unit that maximizes storage while making use of the awkward slanted wall. The king-size bed is perfectly positioned beneath this other slanted wall. To keep the design light and uncluttered, I added a floating nightstand, paired with soft ambient lighting, creating a cozy setup. This bedroom isn't just a place to sleep. It's a personal retreat, offering peace and tranquility after a long day of work. And now is a quick tour of the apartment for you to enjoy. And that's a wrap on this transformation. If you enjoyed this space going from dated to sleek, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. There'll be plenty more to come. If you're thinking about redesigning your space, let's make it happen. You can reach out to me via email. I left all the details down in the description. And if you're looking for more design inspiration, check out this other project I worked on. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.